Hook AI didn't just disrupt jobs in 2026, it eliminated entire industries. Translation, customer support, entry-level coding, data entry, and even parts of the legal profession are already gone. And the scariest part? 5 more industries are about to fall before 2027. INTRO, here's a stat that should terrify you. May 2026 just set the record for the highest number of AI-driven layoffs since 2020. We're not talking about automation replacing a few tasks, we're talking about entire career paths vanishing. I want you to ask yourself right now, is your job on this list? Drop a comment, tell me your industry and whether you think AI is coming for it. I'll pin the most shocking answer. Before we get into the 5 industries AI already killed, hit that subscribe button in the corner of your screen. It's completely free, takes literally 1 second, and you will not want to miss tomorrow's video where I reveal the 5 industries that are next. Do it now. 1. In translation, the first casualty. If you're a translator, you already know this. AI translation tools like DeepL and GPT-4o now handle over 95% of all professional translation work. The numbers are brutal. Human translation demand dropped 73% since 2024. Why pay a human $50 per page when an AI does it in 2 seconds for free? The only translators still working are those handling legal documents or creative literary work, and even that window is closing fast. Companies like Netflix and Amazon now use AI-first translation pipelines with human reviewers only checking the final 10%. The math is brutal and irreversible. 2. Customer support. The silent elimination. This one hit so quietly most people didn't notice. In 2026, over 60% of Fortune 500 companies replaced their Tier 1 customer support teams with AI chatbots. Not clunky bots, these are GPT-level agents that sound more empathetic than humans. They never get tired, never complain to HR, and cost 1% of a human salary. Call centers in the Philippines and India are reporting mass layoffs. The job that employed millions worldwide is simply disappearing. 3. Data entry. 0 humans needed. If your job involves moving data from one spreadsheet to another, you're already obsolete. AI systems now extract, classify, and enter data with 99.8% accuracy. Humans make mistakes. AI doesn't. The entire data entry industry, worth $12 billion globally, is being consumed by automation. OCR plus LLM pipelines handle invoices, medical records, legal forms, everything. No humans required. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first, and you need to see what's coming next. Tap it right now. For junior software development, the most shocking one. This is the one nobody wants to admit. Entry-level coding jobs are being replaced by AI coding agents. Tools like Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Claude Code can now build entire features from a single prompt. Companies are hiring 1 senior engineer with AI tools instead of 5 junior developers. Bootcamp graduates who spent $20,000 learning to code are entering a job market that no longer needs them. The Bureau of Labor Statistics quietly revised their software developer projections downward by 40%. They know what's coming. And if you think this is temporary, it's not. AI coding agents are improving exponentially while junior dev salaries are dropping fast. 5. Legal research. The white-collar bloodbath law firms used to hire armies of paralegals and junior associates to dig through case law. AI now does in 30 seconds what took a team of 5 lawyers 2 weeks. LexisNexis, Westlaw, and even custom GPT-based legal research tools are replacing research departments at major firms. A recent survey found that 47% of large law firms reduced their legal research staff in the past 12 months. The billable hour model is collapsing because AI does the research instantly, and clients are demanding the savings. Some firms now charge flat fees for AI-assisted research. The junior associate career path is crumbling. The next 5. Who's on the chopping block? So what's next before 2027? Here's what the data shows. Medical imaging analysis AI already detects cancer more accurately than radiologists. Content writing GPT-5 level models produce publish-ready articles. Financial analysis AI trading algorithms already dominate markets. Graphic design Midjourney and DALL-E are replacing junior designers. And education AI tutors are outperforming human teachers in controlled studies. The pattern is clear: if your job involves processing information, following patterns, or generating text, AI is coming for it. The only safe careers are those requiring physical presence, high-stakes judgment, or genuine human creativity that AI cannot replicate. OUTRO Here's the uncomfortable truth: AI isn't pausing. It's accelerating. Every month, new models launch that are faster, cheaper, and more capable. The question isn't whether AI will affect your career, it's when. The World Economic Forum predicts 85 million jobs will be displaced by AI by 2030. But they also predict 97 million new roles will emerge. The difference between being displaced and being rehired is whether you adapt now or wait until it's too late. Subscribe right now, because tomorrow I'm exposing the 5 careers that are actually safe from AI, and you need to know if yours made the list. The subscribe button is right there in the corner of your screen. Tap it. 1 second. Free. Do it. YouTube's about to recommend another video. Watch one more before you go. The algorithm rewards you for it, and honestly, you need to stay informed. See you tomorrow.